So yeah guys, as you can see, we're there and we roast up some breadfruit in the evening. You don't know the thing though. Kind of switch up the thing in the Friday evening. But I decided that I wanted you guys to be a part of it. So we're just going to show you how the thing go, guys. I should have started from the building up of the fire still, but you know, we just decided at a certain point in the video we just gonna make you see what go on. So as you see, we just get some of the wood from around the yard and all of them things there. A lot of people, you know, you're there overseas and it's been a while since you've had the experience of getting some good roast breadfruit. So I'm giving you roast breadfruit for your dinner this evening.